when we take pipes, old pipes apart, we cannot guarantee that they will be watertight again.
Oh, okay.
You know, because it's old. Sometimes you touch old stuff.
These things.
The older stuff, when you tighten them, sometimes they don't tighten properly again. So we always like to make customers aware.
I think I'm going to call the manager, so he needs to change the disposal, yeah?
100%. I think we should do it today. I think we should. Today, yeah, for sure. It's old, it's smelly.
It's smelly, yeah. That's why we try to not use it. Just in time that something's wrong in there. We turn it off.
Yeah, you plug it out and turn it off and don't use it. That's my opinion.
No, we try not to use it, yeah.
Some plumbers like them, some plumbers don't like them.
We in home doesn't like it, you know, at our home.
Where's your home?
Mexico.
Oh, Mexico, yeah, okay.
We also have it in some places, in some apartments, we used to have one.
Yeah.
But it gets very smelly with the time.
Yeah, right.
You have to keep it clean, yeah.
Right.
And we use absolute cleaner, yeah.
You know, and I mean, if you do garbage anyway, I mean, having a food bin is, you know, small. It's a very small bin.
Very small, but it can go.
It's not too much of a inconvenience, you know.
Yeah.
In my opinion. It's very fast for 1 month, you know, tobacco.
There's a lot of things in
this building. I can see already.
In the unit, because we sometimes found some spill down there.
Yeah.
Some drops.
Yeah.
But I cannot see where it comes.
Oh, really? Maybe it's the faucet.
So we just clean it and it's okay. But it's not always, you know. It's in this month. It can be like 1-2 times.
Yeah.
But when we receive the unit, it has some, how do you call it, stains or it was like marketing down there, the water.
Okay. Okay.
But we clean it and we didn't see it in some days.
Okay. 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 One of these concealed traps. Okay. You turned the water off, right?
Yes.
Good. Of course. Of course. It's the trick. It's the trick.
Ah, that thing, it looks powerful.
This thing is, yeah. Powerful and dangerous.
Dangerous?
Oh yeah.
Is the damage shocking or what?
Yeah, your fingers and.
Okay.
This is why I have oil. I put oil on my glove. I have my gloves and I put oil. I did not see.
They came to fix that one because how long it goes?
How long?
How long it
Oh, it goes. This one is like 50 feet or more. 50 feet.
surfing? Or
Oh, this one maybe 15. 15. Yeah. Usually it's in the horizontal pipe.
yeah, I think. Rather it goes to the vertical, it goes quickly down, you know?
Exactly. Exactly. So you know. Yeah. So you know. You know what's inside the wall.
Yeah, we do everything, you know, communication, electric, and plumbing.
It's like you have X-ray vision.
We don't use medical.
Always money.
Always money, yeah.
Yeah, I've never been to Mexico.
No,
Never.
it's beautiful.
Oh yeah, I bet.
Now our government and the people are
Yeah. Problems.
not problem for everyone. We were lucky because we never have problems.
Yeah.
But my wife came here to study
Mhm.
on a government program.
Yeah.
So we take the opportunity to come here,
Yeah.
maybe a couple of years and then go back.
Mhm. It's always good to go home.
Always.
Home is. I feel the same, you know. Sometimes about home.
Go home.
It's nice here and everything, but home is important.
Here is very nice also, no?
Also, yeah.
Just the weather for us is like the hard thing.
What part are you from? Mexico City?
No, we're from Guadalajara. It's in the
Oh yeah.
you know,
Yeah, I heard. Yeah.
it's near Puerto Vallarta.
Yeah.
We always have good weather, sunny days.
Mhm.
We have
Hot.
a lake, so we can go to water skiing.
That's good for the kids.
Yeah, we
That's
have
good.
mountains near for
Now Canada is like not good for immigrants.
Mala.
No good. For the price.
Right?
Yeah, it's too expensive for everybody now.
Very expensive, yeah.
More opportunity in old country now, almost sometimes. Because of the price is so high here. People go home.
It's getting expensive, yeah, in the years. Because I used to come almost once a year to biking, mountain biking or river to ski.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then when they arrived this year, like, oh, what's happened? But there is something good for us now is that our Mexican peso is strong.
Yeah.
So it's cheaper for us for the $9.
Yeah. That's good.
Because now it's like 12 pesos per dollar.
Mhm.
And like in the 18 and 19 it was like 16 pesos per dollar.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
Yeah. So now we can do it with the government support of Mexico.
Mhm.
There is a program that my wife is applying. She will.
She's in the government, right?
No. Sponsorship.
Let's see. Stop shroom. Stop shroom.
Ya está, y ya fueron.
The old signature slope. That's the old signature sword, and the other one more.
Pero pues bueno, pues ya estás. Saludos, voy a, pues si voy para allá te echo un grito. A ver, te echo.
Not the greatest. A 14-year-old building, like looking like this. Not too good. Yeah, this thing needs to go. Needs to go. This thing is leaking already. Alright. Alright, we're good. We're good.